Bullish VGX value forecast is 51 cents to $2.37. Voyager token cost could likewise reach 60 cents soon. Bearish VGX cost expectation for 2022 is 20 cents. In Explorer token cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about VGX to dissect the future development of the digital currency. Explorer token current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Explorer token is 38 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,273,166 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, VGX has diminished by almost 11.1% as of now. Besides, Explorer token has a circling supply of 293,036,142 VGX. Explorer token exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, Gate.io, Bitvavo, CoinEx, and Bitget. What is Explorer token? Explorer token is the local badge of the crypto specialist, Explorer. The Ethereum token, VGX, is used to remunerate and boost the utilization of the Explorer concentrated trade. The symbolic holders can procure marking rewards, cash back on exchanges, and more advantages on the Explorer environment. The Crypto Financier Administration, Explorer, was sent off in October 2018. Financial backers can exchange crypto resources effectively, securely, and advantageously with Explorer. Explorer gives an application that expects to make exchanging open, speedy, and easy to use and doesn't charge a commission for exchanging by means of the application to improve on the interaction. Explorer token value expectation 2022. Explorer token stands firm on the 205th footing on CoinGecko at this moment. VGX cost expectation 2022 is made sense of underneath with a day-to-day time period. The above graph of Explorer token spread out a level channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a rule, the level channel is shaped during the cost solidification. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which interfaces the lows, run on a level plane equal and the cost activity is held inside it. A level channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in union. As of now, Explorer token is in the scope of 39 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of VGX could arrive at the obstruction levels of 46 cents and $1.06. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of VGX might tumble to 19 cents. Explorer token backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Explorer token. From the above day-to-day time span, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Explorer token. The graphs show that Explorer token has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, VGX could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $2.37. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Explorer token could dive to nearly 20 cents, a negative sign. Explorer token value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Explorer token is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of VGX lies beneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Explorer token is displayed in the diagram above. White, Explorer token cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, VGX has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of VGX whenever. In the meantime, the general strength file of the VGX is 55.01. This implies that Explorer token is in an overbought state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of VGX might happen in the impending days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Explorer token value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Explorer token. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Explorer token. At present, the ADX of VGX lies in the scope of 19.592, and in this manner, it demonstrates a feeble pattern. The above diagram additionally addresses the general unpredictability file of Explorer token. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of VGX lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Explorer token is at 55.01, in this manner affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of VGX with BTC, ATH. The underneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Explorer token. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activity of VGX is unlike BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of VGX diminishes. Likewise, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of VGX increments. Explorer Token Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Explorer Token could likely achieve $1.50 by 2023. Explorer Token Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Explorer Token could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, VGX could energize to hit $3.50 by 2024. Explorer Token Value Forecast 2025. If Explorer Token supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, VGX would revitalize to hit $5.50. Explorer Token Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Explorer Token supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, VGX would energize to hit $7.50. Explorer Token Value Forecast 2027. In the event that Explorer Token supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, VGX would energize to hit $9.50. Explorer Token Value Expectation 2028. Explorer Token holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, VGX would hit $11 in 2028. Explorer Token Value Forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Explorer Token, it would observe significant spikes. VGX could hit $13 by 2029. Explorer Token Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Explorer Token biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into VGX for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Explorer Token could hit $15 by 2030. And, with persistent enhancements in the Explorer Token organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for VGX. Hence, the bullish value expectation of Explorer Token in 2022 is $2.37. Then again, the negative value expectation of Explorer Token for 2022 is 20 cents. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Explorer Token biological system, the presentation of VGX would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $12.47 very soon. However, it could likewise reach 60 cents in the event that the financial backers accept that VGX is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Explorer Token? Explorer Token is the local badge of the crypto agent, Explorer. The Ethereum token, VGX, is used to remunerate and boost the utilization of the Explorer Unified Trade. 2. Where might you at any point buy Explorer Token? Explorer Token has been recorded on numerous